Hey guys, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to my channel, LaMonicas Lab. If you're new, today in the lab I'm going to be showing you guys how you can get this bright, bold, and beautiful red look. The holidays are coming up. We have Thanksgiving, we have Christmas, we have New Year's, honey. So I got you covered. Definitely stay tuned and see how I got this look. I used one simple palette to put the brightness on here, and then another easy and affordable palette to give me that dramatic, like, blown out effect with the matte shades. So yes, if you are new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you love makeup tutorials, give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. I don't have a lot of palettes that have like bright colors, but I do want to go in with this Aina palette because I've only used it like once on my channel and I want to do another look. Holidays are coming up, so I'm excited to do like some reds and more bronzy makeup tutorials as well. So I'm intrigued to try the Wiggly's. Am I even saying that right? I don't know, but this red one is really calling my name, so I want to do like this red look. I was watching Patricia Bright's video because she just did a collaboration with Makeup Revolution, which I'm super excited about. I can't wait to get my hands on that eyeshadow palette because that has a lot of colors in it. So it just made me think about recreating like a red blown out look. So what I'm going to have to do as far as like the transition colors and everything, I'm going to have to go into this Oldie But Goodie palette. This is the Morphe 3502 palette. As you can see, my black one is gone. This was a black shade and it just gets all over the place, which is why I really don't even gravitate towards this palette anymore. I don't know if I hit it. I know I didn't drop it, but I hit it on something and then this black one had cracked, which is why it's all over my shades over here. But I'm going to use some of these shades so I can blend this red because we're going to do like a red look. So I'm super excited about this. Hence why I have already done everything on my face so we can focus on the eye. So going in with my MAC 224 brush. This is like one of my favorite blending brushes. Besides my Morphe one, I couldn't find it. But nevertheless, I'm going to go in with a transitional shade first. Let me see. I'm going to go in with Ginger first, which is in the Anastasia Beverly Hills Aina palette, and just put that all over my eye. So I just put that ginger shade all over my lid. Nothing too fancy, nothing too strategic, just all over the lid. Brought it up to the brow bone. And that's that. So now we're going to go in and play with these shades in the Morphe palette. So this one, the 3502, actually came with this little sheet. So let me see if I could tell you what shade it is. This was so not exciting to have to take this out and show you guys all of this, but whatever. So this is how it would look. So I think I'm going to go in with ORB and Heat to build up to Fire and Ruby, and then we're going to go in with that shade from the Anastasia palette. So again, just building all of this up. So I did a poll here on my YouTube channel in the community tab asking you guys if you like hauls, if you like makeup videos, if you like hair videos. Somebody commented and said there was no option for all three, which was very true. But what I'm trying to do is get you guys honest opinion on videos that you actually want to see here on my channel, and not just me posting videos you're not going to look at. Because if you haven't seen my where I've been and explaining me coming back type of video, definitely go check that out and you'll know what I mean when I say that. So now going in with that Heat shade in the Morphe palette, I'm just going to put that right here below those transition shades. Now going in with Chestnut. Chestnut is like this burnt reddish brick color, like a reddish brown. I'm going to place that in there as well. Still using the same Morphe, the same MAC brush. Just building this up. I'm going to place that right here, right under the crease. And I'm going to place it there first. I'm not going to start blending it yet. So that's the intensity that we want because we want to blow it out. And I'm not gonna like drag it out here too much. I'm just gonna fan it off there. But I'm gonna go back into that heat shade and do the same thing on the other eye. So now we're gonna go into the Jackie Aina palette and we're gonna go in with Wiggly's, which is this red shade. It's got like some sparkle in it. And it's just gonna look super pretty. And I think this would be really nice for the holidays coming up. Like, look at that. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Yes. Yes. And you can use concealer. You can use eyeshadow primer. Comment down below what you use. You can use glitter glue if you're using glitter on top of this. I'm not going to be going in with like a loose glitter or anything like that because this is giving me the pop that I want. This is what I wanted. Look how beautiful this is. This color, Wiggly's. Yeah, and to make this side a little bit darker, I'm gonna go into a deeper, like brown, not black, like brown. And that shade is Brunette in the Morphe palette. Alright, so I went on the bottom last time with the same color. So far, I'm liking how it came out. I'm going to pop some lashes on and I'm going to come back with the finished look. Alright, so for lips, I'm going to go in with my NYX Nude Truffle Lip Liner. This is like my favorite drugstore lip liner. It's like this nice brown. I'm going to go in with one of these Smashbox. One is called Psychic Medium and the other one is Stay Neutral. So let me see. So this one is the Stay Neutral, and again this is the Smashbox liquid lipstick. I love these liquid lipsticks. They're super comfortable. They're not crunchy and all dry. They're really moussey like. And I've had these for a while and they're still like creamy. So because I want to be a little bit extra, I'm going to put a little bit of gloss in the center. This is the Jouer Frostbite Lip Topper. Just going to put that right there. So this is the finished look. So easy, you guys. You can create so many looks with these colors, so don't be intimidated by the brightness or the boldness of the glitters. They're perfect for the holidays, so definitely get your hands on this, and it's affordable. It's $45. If you like this look, definitely give this video a thumbs up, and until next time, love, peace, and beauty. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.